This video will take you step by step through the process of testing a bulk grain corn sample for Aflatoxin, DAWN, Fumonisin, and Zearalenone with the TotalTox Comb, the industry's first solution for the simultaneous extraction and reading of multiple mycotoxins. TotalTox mycotoxin detection kits are available in additional comb and single-strip configurations. Check your product insert for the current list of available matrices. Before you begin, take a kit inventory. Check your TotalTox kit to ensure that it includes all of the following components. Product insert: TotalTox combs or strips in a moisture-resistant pouch or canister. DB5 buffer. EB17 dissolvable pouches, 1 packet per 25 grams of sample. Reaction tubes, pipette tips, and a kit lot specific multi-matrix barcode card. Gather additional items. The following items are not provided in your kit, but are required for testing. Bun grinder or equivalent. Quick scan system. Incubator. Digital scale for weighing samples. Extraction cups with lids. Graduated cylinder. Pipette to deliver 100 microliters of material. Timer. Scissors. Distilled, deionized, or bottled water. And filters. A centrifuge, 20 mesh screen, and orbital or rotary shaker are recommended but not required. Prep your workspace and equipment. Make sure that your work area and equipment are clean to ensure accurate results. Using an incubator is required to produce most accurate results. If you are using an incubator, turn it on and set it to 22 degrees Celsius at least 10 minutes before you run the test. Scan the enclosed kit lot specific multi-matrix barcode card in the quick scan once for each kit lot. For your protection, always follow your facility's PPE requirements. Now you're ready to test. The TotalTox testing process has just a few simple steps. 1. Preparing the sample. 2. Running the test. And 3. Reading the results on the quick scan. But remember, this video is not a replacement for reading and following your product insert fully. First, collect and grind a representative sample. Improper grinding can cause inaccurate results. Ensure your grinder is properly calibrated and your sample isn't too fine or too coarse by making sure 95% of the grounds pass through a 20 mesh screen. Carefully weigh out 25 grams of ground sample into a suitable, hard-walled container with a lid, like these disposable 5-ounce sample cups with twist-on lids. Add 1 dissolvable pouch of EB17 and 75 milliliters of distilled, deionized, or bottled water to the sample cup and cap it tightly. Immediately shake the sample cup vigorously for 10 seconds by hand. This ensures that the EB17 powdered extraction buffer pouch can fully dissolve and that the sample is fully wetted. It may only be 10 seconds, but this step is critical to producing accurate test results. Shake the cup again for an additional 1 minute on a mechanical shaker set to the highest setting, or 2 minutes by hand. You can clarify the sample in one of the following ways: by filtering the mixture for up to 2 minutes in a clean cup through an approved filter, or by centrifuging for 30 seconds at 2000 times G. Choose the clarification method that works best for your workflow. For this video, we will be using the filter method. After no more than 2 minutes, lift the filter out of the cup and discard it with the original extract cup. Prepare as many reaction tubes as you will need for the number of tests you are running. We are using the TotalTox 4-strip comb for this test, so we will place 4 clean reaction tubes next to each other into the incubator block. Using a calibrated pipette or the fixed volume pipette included in your first order, pipette 100 microliters of DB5 buffer into the first reaction tube. Repeat this step for each reaction tube. Cap the DB5 buffer tightly once all tubes have been filled. If you are using the filter method, swirl the cup to resuspend the extract. With a fresh pipette tip, pipette 100 microliters of clarified extract into the first reaction tube with the DB5 buffer. Mix the sample extract and buffer by drawing the mixture up and down in the pipette tip 5 times. Repeat this step for the remaining tubes. For maximum efficiency, the sample can be diluted in bulk and then distributed to the reaction tubes. For this method, you will need an adjustable volume pipette. Add 500 microliters of DB5 buffer to an extraction tube and cap the bottle tightly. Add 500 microliters of clarified sample to the same tube. Then mix the extract and buffer by drawing the mixture up and down in the pipette tip 5 to 10 times. Adjust the pipette and transfer 200 microliters of the diluted sample into each reaction tube. Now you're ready for incubation. Allow the tubes to acclimate in the incubator for 2 minutes if the room temperature is unknown or outside of the 20 to 24 degrees Celsius or 68 to 75 degree Fahrenheit range. Remove the required combs or strips from the moisture-resistant pouch or canister and immediately reseal. Holding the plastic handle of the TotalTox comb, carefully place 1 strip into each prepared reaction tube. Set a timer for 4 minutes and allow the strips to react. While you wait, you can enter sample-specific information into the quick scan. At the end of 4 minutes, grab the handle of the comb and remove the strips from the incubator. Using scissors, immediately cut off and discard the colored arrow tape portion of each strip. Insert the comb into the QuickScan 2 reader for quantification, face up and with the barcode closest to the front of the carrier tray. If you are using an original QuickScan system, put the comb face down with the barcode closest to the front paddle. Close the QuickScan 2 carrier tray and press the Read Test button. Results will appear when scanning is complete. And that's it. 4 mycotoxins tested from prep to read in under 8 minutes. Keep your grain moving with rapid, ready, reliable TotalTox. If you want to learn more about mycotoxin, GMO, lab testing, and other risk management solutions from Envirologics, visit us at envirologics.com. If you are a current Envirologics customer who needs to place an order or resolve a technical issue, you can visit our knowledge base or reach out to customer support at envirologics.com/support.